7 powerful reasons why most graduate are poor in life. 3 and 4 are very important. Number 1. They prioritize their certificates more than their gifts and talents. Most graduates leave their gifts dormant while pursuing and hunting for jobs with their certificates. Everybody is gifted for something, but the winning edge comes from our ability to work on our gifts and bless the world with it. The best way to develop yourself is in the direction of your natural talents. In order to live a fulfilled life and make good money, we need to work harder on our gift than our job. We need to discover our gift, develop it, and sell it. Don't bury your talent just because you have certificates. The richest people in the world today are people with talents. You can never be richer than the people you are working for. Number 2. Most graduates don't think beyond their certificates. Albert Einstein said, "Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think." One of the major reasons why most graduates are poor is simply because they can't see and think beyond their certificates. I have seen medical doctors work as bankers. I have seen engineering students with great skills in web and graphic designs. Lawyers that are very dexterous in business. The truth of life is that the skills that are needed to be much sought after and become more successful in life are not really found within the walls of the classrooms. Your certificate is just a proof that you are teachable. It does not suggest what you are totally capable of doing because you have it. You are full of possibilities when you think beyond your certificates. Number 3. Degrees and certificates position you to look for jobs and not for opportunities. Our certificates and degrees prepare graduates to look for jobs and not open our eyes to life-changing opportunities. You are not poor because you don't have a job. You are poor because you are not seeing and seizing opportunities. Being poor is simply passing over opportunities repeatedly. What keeps people ahead in life is not their education or degrees, it is simply the opportunity that they seized. Jobs may be scarce but not opportunities. As long as there is a problem to be solved, there will always be opportunities to come. It is a waste of our education, exposure, and experiences if all we think about is searching for a job. An enlightened and educated mind should be able to see and seize opportunities. Number 4. Their certificates prepare them for a world that no longer exists. Most of the skills taught in schools are becoming irrelevant in the present world. The world has changed a lot, and so has people's need. The present form of university education does not prepare students for the future. Most learning institutions are filled up with lecturers with lecture notes, methods and approaches that have lost relevance in a changing world. Some universities still teaches their students with the 19th or 20th century information and mindset, rather than the 21st century vision and future mindset. Number 5. They know less about themselves but more about things. Certificates and degrees don't reveal who you are. Like they say, there is no recovery without discovery. A poor man is simply someone that has not discovered himself. The more you discover about yourself, the more you realize the treasures that are hidden deep within you. We carry inside ourselves talent that can only be unveiled through self-discovery. Discover your purpose, and you will discover your direction. Most graduates only follow the discovering of others. Number 6. Certificates and degrees can kill initiatives. Degrees and certificates can close up your minds to ideas while initiatives open it up. The purpose of education is to keep your mind perpetually open towards limitless possibilities. Fred Smith saw an opportunity for overnight delivery of anything anywhere in the USA, and ultra-fast delivery anywhere in the world. FedEx was born. It will be interesting to know that Fred Smith got a grade C in a Yale economics class for an idea. Fred Smith's company became the first American business to make over $10 billion in annual profit. FedEx now delivers in over 200 countries. Number 7. Certificates prepare people to look for safety and not to take risks. We must be willing to make mistakes and take risks. There is no rich person that didn't take risk. If you want to be rich, then you must be ready to take risks. Taking risks and learning from mistakes help us in knowing what works and what does not. When Thomas Edison was being questioned by a journalist on how he felt for having failed for 999 times before getting the idea of the light bulb, his response stunned the whole world. When he confidently said, "I have not failed 999 times. I have only learned 999 ways of how not to make a light bulb." The skills required in the modern world to get rich are not taught in schools and institutions. By 2025, over 5 million people will lose their jobs to automation. This means that future jobs will look vastly different by the time many people graduate from the university. So the point is, discover your talent and learn new skills rather than hoping only on your certificate. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Like, share and leave your comment below. This video was brought to you by www.vickpoint.com. Follow us on Instagram at RealVickpoint. Thank you for watching.